Hello students, Jai Hind, Vande Matram. Once again welcome back to your class Ravi Sarji Maths, the easiest and finest way to learn the concepts of mathematics from standard 9th to 12th. Students, in our today video lesson we are going to practice transformation formula of trigonometric function. Students, you will have to ready with your pen and notebook and keep doing as I am doing on the board. Okay students, in this way you can change the formula in another terms and you can get practice in such a way that you are not going to forget this formula. Okay students, so let's start the practice of transformation formula of trigonometric function. Okay students, here you can see that the first formula is what? 2 sin x cos y is equal to sin x plus cos y. 2 sin x cos y is equal to sin x plus y plus sin x minus y. So students, now we can change the variable over here, the angle x and y, in another terms in such a way that you can get another formula in different terms, same formula but different terms. Okay students, so consider in place of x and y we are writing a and b. So 2 sin a cos b will be what? Sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. Right student? Consider in place of x and y c and d. So 2 sin c cos d, 2 sin c cos d. So we can write sin c plus d plus sin c minus d. Okay students, in these three ways you can learn this first formula. Okay, in the terms of xy, in the term of ab, in the term of c and d. Okay student, now the next is 2 cos x sin y, sin x plus y minus sin x minus y. So 2 cos a sin b is equal to sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. Okay, similarly 2 cos c sin d. So we can write what? Sin c plus d minus sin c minus d. Okay, now the third one, 2 cos x cos y, cos x plus y cos x minus y. If x is greater than y, the condition is given if x is greater than y, so we can write 2 cos a cos b is equal to cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. Similarly, in place of x and y writing c and d. So 2 cos c cos d, 2 cos c cos d is equal to cos c plus d cos c minus d. Right student? Now the question, formula number 4, minus 2 sin x sin y. So we can write is equal to cos x plus y minus cos x minus y. Minus 2 sin x sin y, then cos x plus y minus cos x minus y. So we can write 2 sin a sin b is equal to cos a plus b minus cos a minus b. Similarly, minus 2 sin c sin d is equal to what? Cos c plus d minus cos c minus d. Okay student, sin x plus sin y is equal to 2 sin x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. Okay student, so we can write sin a plus sin b is equal to 2 sin a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2. Similarly, sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Right? Now formula number 6, sin x minus sin y, 2 cos x plus y by 2 and cos x minus y by 2. So sin a minus sin b is equal to 2 cos a plus b by 2 and cos a minus b by 2. Right? Similarly, sin c minus sin d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Okay. Now the formula number 7, cos x plus cos y is equal to 2 cos x plus y by 2 and cos x minus y by 2. So cos a plus cos b is equal to 2 cos a plus b by 2 cos a minus b by 2. Similarly, cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Right, students? Now the final formula of this video lesson, cos x minus cos y is equal to minus 2 sin x plus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2 or 2 sin x plus y by 2 sin y minus x by 2. Right? So here we can write cos a minus cos b is equal to minus 2 sin a plus b by 2 sin a minus b by 2. Or we can write 2 sin a plus b divided by 2 and sin b minus a divided by 2. Okay? Then in place of a and b we can write what? C and d. So cos c minus cos d is equal to minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2 and 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin what is d minus c divided by 2. Okay students, in this way you can practice this transformation formula of trigonometry, so you can get the command over the formulas in any case. Hope students you have understood this video lesson. For more video lesson of this chapter, keep watching your channel Ravi Sir Ji Maths. Thank you once again for watching this video till the end.